Righto. Headed for B.
As the YouTube movie kept saying over and over again, I will find him!
I'm heading for C, try and fast cap it.
Roger.
I hate it when it pushes me up tiers when I'm flying solo.
Oh, you're going for A. Oh no, B. That's right, yeah.
Oh, there's a lag already on the runway.
Yeah. The lag coming down on him.
Oh, we've already got one of our boys take care of it. Nicely done.
We have captured a zone.
I'm dead.
We've captured a zone.
Yeah, Spitfire from their team with the same idea as me.
It's up your tower, Joker.
Cheers, mate.
We have taken the initiative. Sorry about that.
That's the air assists are just starting to rack up. Righto, I think we've dominated air superiority here. I'm going to head to A. I'll leave you guys to look after that. See if I can't draw a bit of attention away.
The enemy has captured a zone.
7-second reload, Ryan, sorry.
That's alright.
I was shot down by our own team.
Big mistake.
I hope so.
Got him off the tail.
Lovely.
Can one of you guys cap B? Or?
Yeah, I'm going to try and cap. I'm in a Spitfire though.
I'm inbound in a Beaufighter. Looks nice and clear. I'll give it a shot.
No, didn't manage it. I was actually in a boomerang, not a Spitfire.
Right, I better bring my bomber out. Yeah, there's no point trying to cap it in a fighter. We'll just end up dead.
Yeah. Yeah. Soon. A minute soon. Whoopsie. What are you saying, Ethan? Mm-hmm.
Enemy is taking the initiative. We have captured a zone.
Right, I got a... that's sort of surprising. Nice work.
Enemy has captured a zone. We're ahead of the enemy.
You're right out over there, Ches.
Yep.
Just give me a yellow if you need a hand.
They've got a PBY inbound. You've got a Yak 7 and a Lag 3 on your Ches.
Yeah, I'm struggling, but
I'm inbound, but I'm a little while away.
my flaps have been overworked. Oh, they're working. Thanks, guys. Spitfire.
Yes.
We have captured a zone.
Yeah, that PBY is about to try to cap. I think I can knock him out. Where's that?
You right with that Spitfire there, Ches? I put a crit on him.
Yeah, he's dead.
Oh, I upset someone.
That's alright, I'm getting around on him.
He messed me up and got me on the second time round.
He's down.
Good on him. Chino, okay, Chino Everyone or what have you. Yeah, I shot him down a couple times, I think. Oh, they're capturing B just to keep the game alive, allow us to get a few more air kills.
Get a Beaufort inbound. Fast.
We have captured a zone.
So that'll be game over. Nicely done.
Excellent.
By the way, Jericho posted on the forums about the TS bloody attendance. Last night was pretty shocking.
Yeah, people have been getting a bit slack on it lately. Yeah.
Like now, for example, there's 10 people on TS and there's like, what, 13 on? And 10 of these players